EOS, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. Right now, we are within this correction. We want to see how we can look for trade because we're looking for buy. By the way, we start because the ways movie is really quite corrective. We start with the higher time frame. We start with daily chart. And if we move to daily chart, we mentioned we're looking at this correction. Mostly we're looking for the reversal. We're looking for buy as a long term. The targets we're looking for is 7.4 following by 8.5. But the only thing is how we can look for trade from here. And if we move to lower time frame, we prefer to get one more drop in relative to what we have here. All right, because based on daily chart, we don't have any trace of for buy. And if I move to forward chart, because the way it's reversing is very corrective. And whenever we see this kind of the corrective, as long as the price haven't break 3.9, the possibility for the next drop in relative to what we have here is very high. And for sure, this is the best if we can get one more drop following by divergence. From there, we can look for reversal as a long term. Because if the price continue similar to what we have here, any trade for buy will be a short term. All right. By the way, even if you put our line here, all right, maybe we put our line here. No, the question is whether we should draw like this or we'll put like this. For me, I will put like this because I need to highlight that we are not using the line to look for trade. It's indicative just to show the trend. All right. Now, every time the price tag the line, we can really see the reversal. And if the price continue as a corrective, similar to what we have here, mostly any trade for buy we're looking for will turn to a short-term trade. Even it doesn't give us really good opportunity. I mean, really good profit. That's why for me, if I want to look for buy, I prefer to see the one more drop, at least with the breakout of this low. Then I will put this one as a 1, 2, 3. Mostly we will expect to see the divergence. Then any reversal from there, I will take the trade for buy as a long term. And if the price continues as a corrective move, we can look for buy, but any trade for buy will be short term. Unless we see the sharp move following by correction, we take the trade and we see the breakout of this part. Then from there, we can look for 3.9. And as what we can see based on forward chart, we don't see any trade setup for buy. And if I move to 1 hour chart, any trade for buy as a sharp move flag will be a short term. And right now, we don't have any trade setup and we have to wait. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, any trade setup for buy, then I will share. And again, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.